It's the middle of a Georgia summer and your AC stops cooling. The temperature inside starts climbing, and fast. That's not just uncomfortable. In this heat, it can be a real safety concern. At Vining Heating and Air, we know that a broken air conditioner can't wait. That's why our highly experienced, family-owned team prioritizes urgent cooling repairs for homeowners across South Metro Atlanta. From Locust Grove and McDonough to Stockbridge, Hampton, Conyers, and beyond. Whether your system is blowing warm air, short cycling, leaking water, or just not keeping up, we'll find the real problem and fix it right the first time. We service all major brands, and we always look for a repair solution before ever suggesting a replacement. No pressure, no unnecessary upsells, just honest diagnostics and upfront pricing. Most repairs are completed in a single visit, so you're not stuck waiting in the heat. When your AC goes down, don't sweat it out. Call Vining Heating and Air at 678-759-2685 and get your cool back today.